What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the review of this keyboard right here, which is a gaming keyboard. Now this was sent to me by a company to do my unboxing and review of. Now as you can as well as in the package we have the keyboard, we have the USB cable, and this is how it looking pretty neat. The keyboard feels very tactile. I love how the keyboard feel very comfortable, and this is how it basically looks. Now this works with a USB type C cable which can plug into the keyboard, and it have those RGB light which is looking really great. I'm loving it. I love the design of it right here, and it just looking very neat. And I think that's something that you want, a simple compact keyboard for your gaming setup. This will work quite fine. It's just very simple and neat. The light and it cannot change though, and it's very simple. You just have this little raise thing on the bottom for raising it, and this is how it actually look. Nice little keyboard. If you guys are into keyboard, this definitely one of the choice that you can pick up. The link for this is down in the description, so make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel for more content like this.